Okay, so we have left Milazzo, the port of Milazzo, on the way to Lipari. So we're on a hydrofoil. So my understanding, they don't really have a viewing deck. They don't really appreciate people hanging off of a craft that's doing 7,000 miles an hour. But supposedly it's about an hour trip over. So occasionally they see dolphins and that kind of stuff. You know, just like Galveston. So we are on our way. Say bye, hot stuff.
Bye, hot stuff.
Smarty pants.
Is it recorded now?
Huh?
Is it recorded now?
That's what those blinking red light, the solid red lightings. Unless you've ever seen the bedroom, then it doesn't
Wait,
mean anything.
wait. Change the position.
Oh, I guess you will.
Okay, then we have to change the position again.
Okay.
Up. Up.
She's too top heavy.
Get off me. This is what usually happens. This. You sit on my back.
Okay, that's funny.
Or you sit on my back.
Not really thinking of it exactly the way it is. That's funny.
I'm just watching. There. Love that.
We're on a boat. We're on a MFing boat.
There. There's my picture. Where's your camera? Where's your camera?
Oh. You mean my camera?
Yeah, your phone. Where's your
Oh,
phone?
should be in there.
Where do I have your phone? Look at that. Mother humpa. Oh